How to transfer from BDO Bank to an international bank. Now, this process or method is a very easy thing to do. Just like your general transferring or any transactions you have from BDO and transferring any funds that you have from BDO or maybe to another local bank. Now, transferring to an international bank is just easy. It's just logged into your BDO account, and once you have successfully logged in, all you have to do is to hit on send money, which is going to be at the center portion of your application if you're using it via the mobile phone. Now, the only difference is a specific charge. Now, the charge is going to be depending on what specific country you will be transferring the fund over. Now you should be able to see it once all the transaction was successful on your transaction receipt and as well as the email address associated with your BDO bank. That's it. That's how you transfer from BDO bank to an international bank.